today I'm going to be showing you guys what to do if you have the coronavirus. And it's just this Google search. Anyway, self-care. If you have mild symptoms, stay home until you recover. And you can relieve your symptoms if you rest and sleep, keep warm, drink plenty of fluids, liquids, and use a room humidifier or take a hot shower to help ease sore throat and cough. There you go. You learned what to do if you have the coronavirus. I'm no doctor, but I am pretty good at Googling stuff and finding information. So here's all the information you need. It's all right here. Google it for yourself. Yeah, so there is no cure at all right now. I know I've heard some European countries have been working on it. And if you think you have coronavirus, you just have to go to your doctor. Pretty simple. Yep, that's all you need to know. Oh, let's look at the worldwide cases. Wow. So there's confirmed 100. Dang, that's actually a lot more than okay, 100K in the US, but no one's searching what to do if you have coronavirus. That's kind of concerning. No one cares. Probably because, like I said, if you have a doctor, you probably already know and you don't need to Google it. I don't know. I'm just curious, so I just wanted to make this video, and just in case I do get it, and I don't trust my doctor, I'm coming back to this video so I can know that I need to rest and sleep and keep warm. So, yeah, that's that. Yeah, check out my channel if you really want to. I have some funny videos. But, yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, I could be anybody. Peace out. Love you. I love you so much.